Hello everyone, how are you today? Hope you are doing well. Today we are going to talk about operation on signed numbers. So let's start. Let us refresh our information of what we explained before. Suppose we have plus 3 minus 5. So here is plus 3. I have a negative sign between them, so I should go to the left by 5 units. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So equal minus 2. Another example, plus 4 minus 1. So here is plus 4. I have a negative sign also, so I should go to the left by 1 unit, so equal 3. Suppose that it is a plus sign, so plus 4 or minus 4 plus 1. So here is a minus 4. I have a positive sign, so I should go to the right by 1 unit, so minus 3. Well, that sounds good, but what if we are dealing with big numbers or decimal numbers? For example, plus 8 minus 325. So here is plus 8, negative sign. So I should go to the left by 325 units. So here plus 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then I will count till I reach 325. So in your opinion, is it a practical way or a logical way to do that? I think it will take about half an hour and I need 10 papers to complete the number line. So we can't use the number line when we are going to solve operations like that. Another example, plus 5.64 minus 6.78. First, it is very hard to locate exactly where is plus 5.64. Suppose that is here, plus 5.64. Minus, so I should go to the left by 6.78 units. But how I will go 6.78 unit? This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How I will go another 0.78 units? I think it will be harder and I will not be able to find the exact numbers. So to solve these kinds of operation that contain big numbers or large numbers and decimal numbers, we are going to use a simple rule. The rules say when we have two numbers of the same sign, we add them, then we put this sign. And when we have two numbers of different signs, we subtract them, then we put the sign of greater. Let's take some examples. Plus 17 plus 9. The sign of 17 is positive, and the sign of 9 is positive. So they have the same sign, which is positive. So I will put this sign, and I will add them because they have same sign. So 17 plus 9 is equal to 26. So 26. Another example, minus 14 minus 25. The sign of 14 is negative, and the sign of 25 is also negative. So they have the same sign, which is negative. So I should also add them and put the sign. The sign is negative, so here is the negative sign. And add them, so 14 plus 25 equal to 39. So minus 39. So I added them because they have the same sign, which is negative, even if we have a negative sign between them. Third example, minus 3.25. So the sign of 3.25 is negative, and the sign of 1.54 is also negative, so same sign, which is negative. So I should add them and put the sign. So here is the sign, and I add them. So 3.25 plus 1.54 4. 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. So minus 4.79. Example of different signs. Here we have the sign of a 3 is plus and the sign of 10 is negative. So we have different sign. One is positive and the other is negative. So we should subtract them and put the sign of a greater. So I will subtract 10 minus 3. Here will be a 0. 10 minus 3, 7. So 10 minus 3 is equal to 7. The next step, I should put the sign of a greater. Which is greater, plus 3 or 10? 10. So the sign of 10 is negative. So I will put minus 7. Okay. Another example. Minus 147 plus 125. The sign of 147 is negative, and the sign of 125 is positive. So they have different signs. One is negative and the other is positive. So follow the rule. Different sign, we should subtract them. So I will subtract 147 minus 125. So 7 minus 5 is equal to 4 minus 2 is equal also to, and 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So the answer will be 0, 22 or 22. And the sign of, then put the sign of greater. 147 is greater than 125. I will put its sign which is negative. So the answer will be minus 22. Okay. The third example, plus 13.25 minus 17.1. The sign of 13.25 is positive and the sign of 17.1 is negative. So we have different signs. One is positive and the other is negative. So we should subtract them. So 17.1 minus 13.25. I will put here a 0, 1, 3. So 7 is 6, 11, 10. Here will be 10. 10 minus 5, 5. 10 minus 2, 8. 6 minus 3, 3, and 0. So 0, 3.85 or 3.85. Now we should put the sign of a greater. 17.1 is bigger than 13.25. Its sign is negative, so I will put a negative. Let me give you another example. Minus 25 plus 37. So the sign of 25 is negative and the sign of 37 is positive. So they have different signs. One is negative, the other is positive. We should subtract them. So 37 minus 25 is equal to 12. So 12. Then put the sign of greater. 37 is greater than 25. Its sign is positive. So here we write plus 12. Hope that it's clear. If you have any question, you can ask me using WhatsApp or using School Agenda. For Monday, please solve this exercise and send me your answers. Stay safe. Goodbye.